Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Power BI desktop installed and Excel formatted as tables so imports are predictable. Connect immediately. In Power BI, choose Get Data right arrow Excel, then pick your workbook. This reduces manual copy steps. Once done, make sure to name tables and clean obvious errors like blank headers and merged cells. This prevents type inference failures. Also decide why you need Power BI, ad hoc exploration, or scheduled reports, because that choice affects how you structure queries and refresh settings. You now transform and model. Open Power Query to apply steps like removing rows, splitting columns, or unpivoting data so rows represent observations. Once transformed, load to the model and create relationships using keys. Use single direction joins for performance when appropriate. Then add DAX measures rather than calculated columns for aggregations, because measures compute on the fly and keep file size smaller. Also document key transformations with query names and descriptions so future you understands why each step exists. You finalize by building clear visuals. Combine charts, slicers, and bookmarks so viewers explore insights. Once comfortable, publish to Power BI service and set up scheduled refresh. If Excel lives on premises, install a gateway and map credentials. Make sure to test refresh immediately and verify that measures return expected values. If something goes wrong, first check data types and relationship cardinality. Often mismatched types or many-to-many joins cause blanks. Lastly, review refresh error messages in the service for precise fixes and repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.